Hey guys, it's Adriel from StyleAssisted, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve this look of my hair with hot rollers. It's super easy and I love it because I can do it first thing in the morning and then leave it while I'm getting ready, and then I can run out the door and my hair looks like this with minimal effort. So if you want to see how I did this, stick around. All right, y'all, so this is it. As you saw, you can use a finishing texturizing spray. You don't have to. If you do need a little dry shampoo, I always suggest putting the dry shampoo in your hair before you roll it, so that way you can really work it in, because if you wait until you have curls and then you try to work it into your scalp, it will frizz all of these lovely curls and waves that you've just created. If you want less wavy hair, then you can use the brush, but my hair tends to fall as the day goes on and I don't want to fill it full of hairspray, so if I start out with it a little bit curlier, it can fall naturally throughout the day. Anyway, if you guys have any questions, leave them below. Otherwise, go say hi on Instagram, where I'm at StyleAssisted, or check out my blog, StyleAssisted.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!